Or sideways?
Either way. What we've got here is a rare treasure. Never be seen by man. There it is. When you get inside the box, you see already the features of this winged angel don't quite add up. Release the safety seals here. These are Leatherman. Good product. There too. Really? Cut right through the seals. Alright. Leatherman's away. That's where it gets tricky.
Certainly a fighting experience.
Now you might want to wear gloves the first time you do this. They can be a little bitey. Oh God! Dude. This is a secondary hilt. We've already cut through tertiary. And this is the primary seal.
What are you doing that one? For customer?
No. No customer would want this.
This is just a picture. You can see the features of the winged angel, Lucifer. We affectionately call this piece the winged Satan. You may see the angelic rib cage here exposed as the wings flail about. Approaching full release here. The hour is at hand. Very angelic crow's feet. And there it is. Absolutely stunning marvel of hell.